I am Dr. Alara Venn, lead scientist of the Venus Atmospheric Research Division. For the past decade, I've called this impossible world my home. Venus, once thought uninhabitable, now host to humanity's boldest endeavor. Our floating cities, suspended high above the sulfuric clouds, are marvels of engineering and human perseverance. Every day we face challenges that would have been unimaginable on Earth. The crushing atmospheric pressure, the searing heat, the corrosive atmosphere. But we adapt, we innovate, we survive. Our geodesic domes, filled with lush vegetation, are more than just life support systems. They're a reminder of the world we left behind. The constant hum of machinery, the glow of artificial sunlight, the faint rumble of atmospheric storms. This is the symphony of our new home. Outside our protective bubbles, Venus rages. Sulfuric acid rains from the sky, and temperatures soar high enough to melt lead. Yet we found beauty in this hostility. The swirling patterns of the atmosphere, the ethereal glow of the planet's surface far below. Our research has yielded incredible discoveries. We've found ways to harvest energy from Venus's heat and pressure. Each day brings new challenges, new triumphs. We've learned to cultivate crops in rotating habitats, simulating Earth's gravity. We've developed new medicines, inspired by Venus's extreme conditions. But perhaps our greatest achievement isn't scientific at all. It's the community we've built here, millions of kilometers from our ancestral home. We celebrate birthdays under the glow of artificial suns. We mark anniversaries as we watch Venus's clouds swirl beneath us. But today is different. Today, we make history. In just a few moments, the first child will be born on Venus. The birth of this child represents more than just a medical milestone. It's proof that we can thrive here, not just survive.
Wah wah.
As I watch the medical team work, I can't help but think of the future we're building. A future where humanity isn't bound to a single planet, but spreads across the solar system, adapting, evolving. The child is here, healthy, strong, and uniquely adapted to this world we've made our own. As I look at this newborn Venusian, I see not just a child, but the future of our species. This child and those that follow will be the first true citizens of another world. They may be human, but they'll be a new kind of human. Homo Venusian, perhaps. As I watch our colony grow, I can't help but wonder, what other worlds await us? What other impossible places will we make our home? We came to Venus as explorers and scientists. Now we stay as settlers, as a new branch of humanity. Our story on Venus is just beginning, and it's more incredible than we ever dared to dream. This is Dr. Alara Venn, signing off from humanity's newest cradle. Venus, no longer Earth's sister planet, but its child.